Now, first of all, I want to tell you what about the negative angles and what is a negative angle. Generally, as and when we ask any student, even for a class 6, you had all been passing through 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whenever say, please draw an angle, generally everybody go in the direction of the anti-clockwise. So, the all angles lying in the direction of anti-clockwise are taken to be positive. So, this theta is the positive, but if somebody is plotting the angle like this in the clockwise direction, these angles are taken to be negative ones. So, if I say the answer of sine 30 is half, then what is the answer of sine of minus 30 degree? You will say definitely minus half. Now, a question is that in which cases this negative reflects in the value and in some cases it doesn't reflect. Suppose I say answer of cos 60 degree, you all know it is half, but the answer of cos of minus 60 degree is again half, no change by changing the negative. So, I want to tell you the formulae related to the negative angles. These values are like this, which you always need to remember, that is sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. Tan of minus theta is equals to minus of tan theta. Cot of minus theta is taken as minus cot theta. But sec of minus theta is not negative of sec theta, it is positive sec theta. Cosec of minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. So, in the case of cosec and sec, the sign remains same, but in all other 4 cases negative reflects out. The reason for this is very well known, that as and when we say to draw a negative angle, we always have a feel that we are drawing the angle in the 4th quadrant, and in the 4th quadrant only cos and sec are positive as explained you. So, you must understand that if angle is given in the negative, then how to convert its negative in the positive of theta and then to apply the trigonometry.